All right. The opening for in English presentation. So uh, the number one is opening the presentation. Good morning and afternoon, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the big tea here today. See, let's me start by saying let me start how to get the fall the present topic. Today I'm going to talk about the approach of digital marketing. My presentation no focus on the main the pitch of the project. The outline the outline of my talk is that outline of my talk it is this intro for the pitch. Number two, transitioning on and explaining. Moving on the next point discuss the methodology. For more furthermore moreover this data show in solace in this cells in the teach to touch we need to consider is the consist in contractors uh no again in the teach to touch in we need to the bucket conferences. Oh, let me elaborate on be elaborate on touch me to let the edge. This lead me to my the next point, the point region this timeline. Uh, on the touch and hand other and there is some nearest we need to avoid. Speech speeches with it so keep capture to explaining to that explaining the theoretic framework. The part is simply the process is very easy to understand. To understand, you as you can see on the slide, the graph is a graphic just going up. Consi to us when she we defeats the to change the strategy. And number three, key and session. Uh, no, number three, key and key and a session. I like to open the floor. I like the floor, the the question, and you in the mix have maybe have does anyone have any question? Does have any question or feedback relating this reading this? Uh, that's a very good question. That is so question. Thank you for asking. To answer your question, To answer your question, we controls to reach for three amount. What is mean is so what the what is mean the process the question more time. I will get back. I will get back to you on the text. Sure. About the X number me, but I will get back to you on that. Number four, closing the presentation. I'm cl- I'm closing the to to sum up. They have co-validated in definition, process, and result. I hope this presentation was useful. I hope this presentation was useful and informative for you all. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention, and so my attention and timeline. So my English is not good. So I'm the going to the the just one is the first is my in presentation. Okay. Thank you so much. It's my watching this my the watching is my presentation, and so see you tomorrow, and thank you again.